In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Freshdesk subscription. If you're looking to move on or simply need to take a break, don't worry. I'll guide you through this process smoothly and effectively. It's crucial that you have admin access to your Freshdesk account before trying to cancel the subscription. Only an account administrator can initiate the cancellation process. Without these rights, the option to cancel simply won't appear for you. Before we move on to the actual cancellation, it's important to focus on something we all want to avoid losing: your data. Freshdesk permanently deletes your data once the account is canceled, though there is a delay in this happening. Therefore, it's vital to first back up your data. To do this, make use of the Export Now option in Freshdesk. Keep in mind that exporting your data might take up to 10 business days, so give yourself enough buffer time for this process to verify that everything important has been securely stored. Now, to begin the cancellation process. Navigate your way to the admin section within your Freshdesk account. From there, go to Account, followed by Account Details. Here, you'll find the Account Status section. This is where you'll click on Cancel Account. You will need to provide a reason for the cancellation, which helps the Freshdesk team understand why customers choose to leave their platform. Once you've entered your reason, click on Request Cancellation. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm here. Once you've finalized the cancellation request, know that your account will be suspended in about 24 hours. This gives you a short window to make sure that leaving Freshdesk is the right decision. From there, the critical part is that the account, along with all the data associated with it, will be permanently deleted 14 days after suspension. This is an irreversible action, so you want to make absolutely sure that you're ready to let go. Now, if at any point within those 14 days you feel perhaps you made a hasty decision, Freshdesk does offer the option to reactivate your account. Simply reach out to their support team via email within the 2-week window, and they'll help you restore your account so you can continue using their services. And there you have it, a clear path to cancel your Freshdesk subscription should you decide it's time to part ways. Make sure to double-check your data is securely saved and exported before completing the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have other questions about Freshdesk, feel free to explore our other guides for more detailed assistance.